welcome back to my channel. This is Clarizz. Of course, as always, starting off early with our Christmas decorations. And for this month, I'm going to be showing you all short videos and DIYs for all of you to do for all your Christmas decor at home that is super affordable. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make these beautiful DIY light up Christmas gifts that make for such gorgeous decoration pieces anywhere at home. So let's get it started. To make the structure of our gifts, we need some wooden dowels. You can just get these from your local dollar store. I'm going to show you how to make them with the smaller ones. We're basically making a cube shape, and this is really easy. You just have to use a bit of glue gun. If you want it a little bit more sturdy, you can go ahead and use some industrial glue like E6000, but I thought that the glue gun works really well for this. So one tip that I would say is make sure that all the dowels are being glued on the same side, or else you're going to end up with a lopsided cube. And once you're all finished your cube, all you have to do is take some twine. You can also get this from the dollar store, and just start to measure from the corner of one side into the other, and then go ahead and use your glue gun to secure this in place. I would suggest holding it down for about 10 seconds just to let it set, but obviously be careful because it is hot. So then you just want to go ahead and space it out evenly and making those diagonal lines again. Once you're done with that, we're going to go ahead and cross over to the other side and do the exact same thing. You can also double up on your twine. It looks really nice when it looks thicker, but this is the smaller one, so that's okay. But with the bigger one, I definitely wish that I had doubled up on my twine. So do that to all four sides. You can actually do the top and the bottom as well, but I didn't think that this was necessary. So once all the sides have twine on them, you can go ahead and decorate this now. I just went to go get some ribbons from the Dollar Tree once again, and all you have to do is secure this down just like this. I made a ribbon. If you haven't seen my easy DIY paper bows, make sure that you check that out to see how you can make these beautiful bows. You can make them with paper, or you can also make them with fabric ribbons. Last but not least, I had some old fairy lights that I've used in my previous DIYs, and all you have to do is put this inside. You can also get lights from the dollar store, and when I tell you that this is super easy, that is really all there is to it for a beautiful, gorgeous Christmas decor. There you are. They're such easy projects. If you love this DIY and want to see more like this, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. Also, let me know in the comments down below what you think of this. Lots of DIYs coming at you really soon, and hope to see you in the next video. Bye.